Welcome to Wanda's Workbasket for all things creative and crafty with a little bit of inspiration mixed in. Today I have an unwrapping, a few unwrappings. I can't remember where I got some of these things. Actually, I don't remember what's in this one. So you're going to be as surprised as I am to see what's in this one. It's just a plain white box. I'm going to write on the end of it what it is before Oh yeah, I know what this is. One of my favorite people is Willowing, and I did her life book one time. It's a art journaling type thing, and 1 year, and I loved it. I didn't get it all done. I have other things, but I love her work, and I got the angels. Let me see, you can see that. I got the angels. Okay, I think I got another one too. I'm not sure where it came from. So let's open this and see. Get right on the box. Willowing angels. Let's take a look at the canvas. Okay. It's big. It's a 60 by 90. I know you can't see it all on here. I'm aware of that. Look at the faces. Aren't they beautiful? And it's stuck. 60 by 80. I'm sorry, 60 by 80. It's a square kit. It's a full, complete coverage. Oh, I'm going to enjoy this. I love it when there's many colors. Oh my heavens, look at the amount of drills that go with it. Holy Hannah. Look at all the colors. Purples and pinks and blues and turquoise and grays and teals and olive. Oh my gosh. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And they gave me 2 kits, which are your regular kits with the multi-placers. Yes, that'll come in handy. So on this kit, let's look at the symbols. It has 31 colors. It's running down the edge here. I didn't see one on the bottom as well, but let me check. The other side on the, yeah, and the other side on the bottom, it also has those. So let's check the symbols. Are they going to be clear? I don't know if you can see that right. It looks like they're very clear. They're light ones on dark colors, and it's black on the lighter colors. I will need my magnifying glass because, hey, you know, I'm getting up there in age, and the light box. But it looks very clear. It looks very easy to understand. The symbols themselves, I don't know, the R and the B might look close to each other, but one's red and one's blue, so that will help. Yeah, no, I mean, all the colors are different, and all the symbols are different enough from each other that it won't be a problem. Okay, so this is Willowing. And, where did I get it? Oh, goodness, where did I get it? Well, I'll add this somewhere on the video. I will add it. It definitely will be down below. Oh, you know how I can... Will I get it back in the box? I don't think so. I better have at least get it back in the bag. She doesn't want to go. Well, instead of struggling with this while the camera's on, I will say goodbye. This has been an unboxing of Willowing Angel, a 60 by 80 square. And it looks wonderful, and I can't wait to start working on it. I'll start working on it maybe with the whip and chat with everybody soon. I'd like to start doing those. Remember to like and subscribe. If you subscribe and we get to 100 subscribers, and then 250, then 500, then 1,000, at each of those milestones, I am going to have a giveaway. One is a short hand-turned pen by Jim's Hand Turned Pens on Etsy, and another one is a full Dreamer Design kit. So, if you're interested, put a comment below. I will let you know which video I will be choosing a comment from. It will be the ones right after I reach those milestones. So come back every Wednesday. We have a What's in Wanda's Workbasket Wednesday, and there's always something interesting coming out of the Workbasket for any one of the crafts that that I do, that I like to do. Okay? So, see you soon. Have a great week. Bye.